salvation in a far and distant land. To rusty names.
Magandang umaga po at welcome sa ating programa My Morning Manna with Pastor Oji. Sa umaga ito ay buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng John chapter 13 verse 14. Ito pagkasabi, "If I then, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you also ought to wash one another's feet." Our topic for this morning is titles and responsibilities. Maraming mga tao na gustong magkaroon ng maraming katawagan, but what matters most ay hindi yung titulo natin kundi yung ating katungkulan, yung ating trabaho. Hindi kung anong pagkatawag sa atin, bagkus kung ano ba talaga ang tunay nating gawain. Christ the Lord set the example for all who would follow Him, confirming that it's not what we're called, but what we do that counts. Kahit ano pang tawag sa'yo, maaari tawagin kang pastor, bishop, I don't care kung anong tawag sa'yo. Ang napakahalaga doon ay hindi yung title, yung gawain nating ginagampanan. Maraming mga tao na tuwang-tuwa pag nagkaroon ng titulo. But I want to tell you, it doesn't matter. Kasi sa mundong ito, dami, may manager, may supervisor, pero sahod naman, hindi naman sahod ng manager. Yung iba, supervisor, pero hindi naman sahod ng supervisor. So what I mean is, it doesn't matter what your names, but what matters is what you do. That is really what counts. I don't care kung tawagin akong brother, pastor, or OG sa pangalan ko lang. It doesn't matter, because what matters most in our lives is not the title, but what we are doing in the kingdom of God. Last point po na gusto kong bitiwan, the more we serve Christ, the less we will serve ourselves. Let's continue to serve Christ at kalimutan natin kung sino tayo. Ano man ang natapos natin, ano mang degree meron tayo. Let's forget about it and let's dedicate ourselves to the Lord, knowing na siya lang ang magre-reward sa atin. Remember that what we have done will be rewarded in due season. Forget the titles and responsibilities, or forget yung pangalan o titulo anong katawagan sa iyo, but always remember what you do is really what counts in your life. God bless po at magandang umaga.